manage to change the password, you now can be able to log into EGP system, login ID, and the new password that you managed to change. Enter the login ID. And then the password. Then click on login. The OTP is sent through email and also through the mobile phone. The OTP only expires in 10 minutes, so you need to enter. Once this is entered, you click on submit. You click on verify. So the moment you log into the EGP system, you can now create business profile. As you can see, the organization details, contact details, and branch details.
This table specifies the profile sections each supplier must update according to their organization type. It highlights which sections apply universally and which are specific, such as ownership details for companies and qualification details for individual consultants.
Are supposed to be entered. There, you can be able just to verify if their information is correct. This is if in case it is registered with IFMIS, it will prompt you to say to give the IFMIS number. If no, then you'll be able to proceed without any question. Business sector UNSSPSC code is supposed to be added to the business under business sectors. Therefore, these items will be very important during the time of tendering processes. So the supplier needs to, it is a mandatory aspect where the supplier needs to add those UNSPSC code so that the items can be available under the business profile. So we can search by category or by code in case we understand the item codes. So in this case, we are searching by category. We can be able to see product categories. We see engineering, research, computer services, computer hardware, software, offsite. So that is under laptop. We can be able to search all items. This is under smart search. We can also search computer, and anything related with the computer name will appear by clicking on search. We see software is related to computer, industry specific software, computer aided design, manufacturing. Then we can be able to see all these computer firmware, computer imaging are available. Select and click on save. We can add more. So you'll be able to, when the tender is out for any of these items, the supplier will be given priority by being informed that certain items are going for tendering. So in this case, you add as many items as you're dealing with, so that you can be able to save them under your profile for purposes of communication in case there are tenders that are related with the items. Next, we can confirm for AGPO suppliers, you need to enter AGPO certificate number. For those under National Construction Authority number is needed. And then tax compliance certificate details number needs also to be entered so that we can verify and retrieve information. Now, upload business registration documents. These documents are required, like copy of KRA PIN, scanned copy of original national ID of the person registering the business, copy of business registration certificate, company partnership sole proprietorship, copy of registration certificate in the case of community service provider, copy of partnership deed for partnership business, copy of CR12 indicating the directors and shareholders, person authorized to transact on behalf of the company and shall be required to provide power of attorney assigned by the director or certified by the licensed advocate and commissioners of oath. This is it. The information therefore is uploaded here. We can add more rows and I'll upload all these documents stated above. Therefore, we need to state the document description number, the document description, so that we can be able to, once you're done with the entering the documents, we can be able to save the documents before proceeding to the next level. So in this case, we are uploading these documents which are required and mandatory for purposes of approving the business registration. We click on save. Organization details saved successfully.